Trends and issues in ICT. Mobile communication. Mobile communication is the communication that do not require any physical connections between devices. Generations in mobile communication that are generation networks. First generation or 1G mobile phones were based on the analog system and provided basic voice facility only. Second generation network. Mobiles use digital communication introduced data services for mobile. Pictures, message and MMS multimedia message were introduced. The two popular standards introduced by 2G systems are GSM Global System for Mobiles and CDMA Code Division Multiple Access. Global System for Mobiles. It follows a uniform international standard so that mobile device can be used worldwide. Network is identified using a SIM, subscriber identity module. General packet radio service and enhanced data rates for GSM evolution. GPRS General Packet Radio Services. GPRS is a data-only technology but helps to improve GSM voice quality. EDGE Enhanced Data Rate for GSM Evolution. Its data rate is 3 times faster than GPRS. Code Division Multiple Access. CDMA provides better coverage, better voice quality, high security than GSM. Next, third generation networks. 3G wireless network offer higher data rate than 2G. 3G use WCDMA wideband code division multiple access technology. Fourth generation network. 4G network is also called LTE long term evolution. 4G network provides ultra speed, provides good quality image and videos. And fifth generation networks. 5G provides facility to unlimited access to information and sharing of data anywhere, anytime. Next topic, mobile communication services. Short message service. It is a text messaging service used in mobile devices to exchange short messages. GSM system allows to send 116 characters. SMS uses SS7 protocol. Signaling system number 7. Multimedia messaging service. It is a standard way to send and receive messages that consist multimedia. MMS allows users to exchange multiple contents like text, audio, video, music, etc. over mobile devices. Global Positioning System. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that is used to locate a geographical location anywhere on Earth using longitude and latitude. It is designed and operated by US Department of Defense. The information from satellites are used to find the exact location. GPS receivers need minimum 3 satellites to find 2D position. 4 or more satellites are required to plot a 3D position which is accurate. Next, smart cards. A smart card is a plastic card embedded with a computer chip or memory that stores and transacts data. The advantage of using smart card is that it is secure, data is protected, intelligent, it can store and process data and is convenient, easy to carry. Smart cards also work credit cards, ATM cards, fuel cards, authorization cards, etc. Mobile operating system. A mobile operating system is the OS used in mobile devices. Popular mobile OS are Android from Google, iOS, iPhone operating system from Apple, BlackBerry OS from BlackBerry, Windows Phone from Microsoft. Android operating system. It is a Linux-based OS developed for touchscreen mobile device. It was developed by Android Inc. in 2003. In 2005, Google acquired Android. Android has a large community of developers writing applications called apps. Apps are developed using customized version of Java programming language. Most of these apps are available in Play Store and can be freely downloadable. ICT in business. Some major developments in business through the use of ICT are social network and big data analytics and business logistics. Social network and big data analytics. Big data analysis is the process of examining large data sets containing a variety of data to uncover hidden patterns, market trends, customer performance, etc. Business logistics. It is the management of the flow of goods in a business between the point of origin and to the point of consumption in order to meet the customer requirements. RFID, radio frequency identification. This technology can be used to identify, track, or dictate a wide variety of objects in logistics. RFID consists of tag and reader. The tag contains a microchip for storing data and an antenna for sending and receiving data. Information technology. Intellectual property right, IPR. Intellectual property rights are two types: industrial property and copyright property. Industrial properties are classified differently, that are patents, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, and IPR is divided into two categories, that are industrial property and copyright. Industrial property. Industrial property right applies to industry, commerce, and agricultural product. It protects patents to inventions, trademarks, industrial designs, and geographical indications. Patents. It is the exclusive rights granted for an invention. To be patentable, an invention must relate to a process or product, be new, involve an inventive step, be capable of industrial use, not to be developed with the intention to harm others. The term for every patent in India is 20 years from the date of filing patent application. Trademarks. It is a distinctive sign or logo that identifies certain goods or products by an individual or a company. The initial term for registration is 10 years, thereafter it can be renewed. Industrial designs. Industrial design right protects the visual designs of objects. Geographical indications. Geographical indications are signs used on goods having a specific geographic origin and possess qualities due to that place of origin. Example: Palakkadam, Matta rice, Aranmula, Kandari, etc. Copyright. It is a legal right given to the creators for an original work, usually for a limited period of time. This work can be any form like books, music, painting, films, SW, etc. Under Indian Copyright Act A work is automatically protected by copyright when it is created. The copyright lasts for 16 years after the death of its author. Differences in the registration of rights of intellectual property are given that here. Next, infringement. Unauthorized use of intellectual property rights such as patents, trademark, copyrights, etc. are called intellectual property infringement. Cyberspace. It is a virtual environment created by computers and other devices connected to internet. Cybercrime. Cybercrime is defined as criminal activity in which computer or computer network is used as tool, target or a place of criminal activity. Cybercrimes. There are three types: cybercrimes against individuals, cybercrime against property, cybercrime against government. I give that here. Cybercrime against individuals. Identity theft. Here a person uses another person's identifying information like their name, user ID, credit card number, etc. without their permission to commit fraud activities. Harassment. Harassment involves portion humiliating comments on gender, race, religion, etc. The use of vulgar, indecent language is also considered as harassment. The use of internet to harass someone is called cyber stalking. Impersonation and cheating. Impersonation is an act of pretending to be another person for harming the victim. Violation of privacy. Violation of privacy is the intrusion into personal life of another without a valid reason. Dissemination of obscene materials. Distributing and posting sexual material is a cybercrime. It is also known as pornography. As cybercrime against property. Credit cards fraud. Credit card fraud involves unauthorized usage of another person's credit card information for purchase or fund transfer. Intellectual property theft. An intellectual property theft is an infringement or violation of an intellectual property right. Copyright of another person's language, thoughts and ideas and presenting them as one's own original work is called plagiarism, and it can be easily detected using online tools. Internet time test. The use of internet time by other unauthorized persons without permission of the person who pay for it is called internet time test. And next is cybercrime against government. Cyber terrorism. Cyber terrorism is a cyber attack against sensitive computer networks like nuclear power plant, air traffic control, telecom, etc. Website defacement, hacking of government websites and posting hateful comments about government in those websites. Attacks against governance websites. These types of attack deny a particular online government service. This is done by using DDoS, distributed denial of service attack. And next, cyber laws. They are the rules that govern the use of computer and internet. Cyber crimes are subjected to Indian Penal Code, Information Technology Act 2000 and IT Act Amendment Bill in 2008. Next is cyber forensics. Cyber forensics is the discipline that combines law and computer science to collect and analyze data from computer systems, networks, communication systems, and storage devices and to present this evidence to courts. Next, infomania. Infomania refers to problem created by information overloading. The infomania is the excess enthusiasm for collecting knowledge. This may result in neglecting more important things like family, duties, etc.